So for the blush, I'm going with this lip balm. I don't really have a proper blush with me. I mean, if there are things you want to learn, just go for it. Problem with this is it is somewhat here. इससे ज़्यादा ऊपर even if you try, इससे ज़्यादा ऊपर बढ़ता ही नहीं है. Skipping that part and okay.
मार दूंगी, पंखा चला ले.
मेरी वीडियो में आवाज़ जाती है. Bearable. मैं तो बोल रही हूँ, मैं बता रही हूँ. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely great. So if you're watching this face for the very first time, which I believe you are, let me just introduce myself to you guys. So hi, my name is Khwahish and I am a working person. Along with it, I have learned Japanese language like for almost 4 years now, and yeah, I make videos here. यहाँ क्यों घुस रहा था ये बता दे अब. नहीं, कैमरे के आगे रख लेना. I do make videos here and on Instagram, so yeah, you guys can check that out. Anyways, so through the title and the thumbnail of this video, you guys must be knowing what are we going to do today. Yes, so recently, not like very recent, but there was this video on Pinterest like which I saw, I don't know, month back I guess, and I saved it right back because I wanted to do this, like this kind of video. So here we are. So today I'm gonna, recreate that Pinterest desi look kind of today. So basically we are not going anywhere, but we are just going to recreate that look today, like that makeup look actually. So yeah, let's get into it. And basically this is the video, the reference I'm taking to recreate my look. Honestly, I don't have the exact product she's using, but I'll just go with whatever I have. Like while doing makeup, I will also tell you guys my story of this thing like makeup. Basically, to be very honest, I'm just a noob when it comes to makeup. Like I have kinda improved, I guess. I mean, yeah, it's not like I know makeup very well, just that I'm not a noob as of now, because I was, if you ask me like months later. So last year there was my sister's wedding, and I wanted to learn a little bit of makeup for वैसे तो we had booked the makeup artist and all, but still I wanted to know थोड़ा बहुत जो basic functions पे we can do by ourselves. I think you should know things. I mean, you should not really rely on others to help you with things. I think you should learn things, be regardless of small or big, because you might never know. Maybe those little things can help save your time. You never know. So I'm just starting with the foundation. This is the foundation I have. This is of Lakme Perfect Radiance. Growing up, my father always used to deny doing makeup and stuff, even putting a lip balm, or even growing up nails, or just putting nail paint on it. It was always like this. But now that my father is like a little bit lenient when it comes to all this, so yeah, I think that what makes us want to learn things that we never did. So I'm starting with the foundation. I think I'm yapping more than what I'm supposed to do in this video. Okay, so this is not my first channel. If you have saw my very first video of like an intro of this channel, which I am sure you guys have not, so this is not my first channel. Let me tell you, I have done this same exact video, like not a proper desi one, but like a kind of a makeup video on my earlier channel too. But I don't know why I just keep deleting the stuff I make. I'm not very sure with this channel as well, but there's always a thing that push me to make or create content. Anyways, so I'm here. Well, no one asked for that, just out of context. I think if it's ज़्यादा लग गया, but let me just check. Okay, I think it is kinda okay, but ये कैमरा में ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा लग गया है. ठीक है यार, I think. Anyways, after putting foundation, let's get into the what is this? Oh yeah, concealer. So we are using the concealer next. Next we want to put some blush. So for the blush I'm going with this lip balm. I don't really have a proper blush with me, so I'm going with this lip balm for that. I mean, you can do or try things. It's not only about makeup. I think it's about any tiniest to largest, whatever it is. I mean, if there are things you want to learn, just go for it. Even if you don't really have so much of products or materials or stuff, and maybe if that is the thing that is stopping you from trying things that you want to try, I think that doesn't really make sense. I mean, I know it's not like मैंने बोल दिया and it is happening. It do take so much, maybe kind of time to really get hang of it. कैमरा में मुझे तो समझ आ नहीं रहा है, but I think I just need to check in the mirror. Also, this is going to be the very minimal look. मतलब yeah, I think minimally है, because I'm not going to put like eyeshadow and do extra anything, because the makeup reference video that I showed you was very minimal. Like I just put, till now I put foundation, the concealer and the blush. Not really, but kind of blush. Moving on, we're going with the kajal now. Also for the kajal I bought this Midnight Rene का kajal, ठीक है, but problem with this is that it is somewhat here. मतलब ये इससे ज़्यादा ऊपर, even if you try, ये इससे ज़्यादा ऊपर बढ़ता ही नहीं है. I mean, it came with a sharpener, like it's sharpener, but what is the use of sharpening it if it is going to just lesser down even? So this was not a very good purchase. So before you guys wanting to buy it, this is kind of a review from my side. So I'll just go with my, wait, ये भी टूट गया यार, ये भी टूट गया. तू कौन सा काजल यूज़ करती है? I think I'll just go with this anyway. मतलब काजल is good, no doubt, but it's just that one thing is the con, a disadvantage I would say. Okay, moving on, after kajal there was this step of what is it? This step. I don't have this thing. I'm not remembering what it is actually, but I don't have it, so we are skipping that part. And moving on to the mascara part. बार बार मैं अपनी आंखों पे क्यों मार रही हूँ?
क्या किया?
क्या
आंखों में क्या घुसा लिया?
कुछ नहीं घुसाया. क्या
पागल है, गर्मी करके और आंखों में पता नहीं क्या डाल
कुछ
रही है.
नहीं घुसाया भाई, कुछ नहीं.
आंखें लाल हो गई.
कुछ नहीं हो गया.
तन्ने का लाइट
क्या
दिख रहा है नहीं कुछ तुझे? मार दूंगी, पंखा चला ले.
मेरी वीडियो में आवाज जाती है. ओके, नाउ वी जस्ट गोइंग टू अप्लाई कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. मुझे पता नहीं है इफ ये ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Obviously, we are doing a desi get ready with me. How can we even skip the bindi part? मेरे nails में घुस जाती है बिंदी. This is the most difficult part, क्योंकि बिंदी ये जो है ये बहुत ही small है, like very small, and to put them is a task. Okay, I'll just put bindi later on. Basically, when I'll be just deciding my outfit, what I'll be wearing with this look, I'll just put the bindi at the very end. Okay, moving on, the last step, we are almost done. We are actually done. Is the lipstick part, obviously. So usually the lipstick shade that I wear is brown shade, because brown is like the most wearable shade I wear. Wearable, I mean, it goes right with me, but we are changing that for today. Let's try different one. Okay, I'm thinking to just apply this lip balm only. Like, let's just go with this only. Okay, I think this is it. Yes. Also, she wore a nose pin, but I don't have any hole in my nose, and I don't even have a nose pin. So obviously we can't do that, like put a nose pin. But yeah, that's it. That's it for my makeup look. Let me know how it is. This is it. Okay, now it's time for me to do a little risky and a dangerous thing, that is to ask my mom if she will put these earrings out and help me wear these jhumkas, because I'm obviously doing a get ready with me, that too a desi get ready with me. I do need to wear, like I do want to wear jhumkas, but I also can't do it on my own. So let's just try asking her. मम्मी मेरे को ये उतार के झुमके बना दोगे? तो ये कल बना देना ना, ये बना तो देते हो आप जब ऑफिस जाना होगा. Okay, so I wore this earrings. I mean, yeah. So finally झुमके तो done है. After that, I've decided I'll be going with this kurti, this chicken curry kurti, with these baggy jeans. Let's go.